Once upon a time in a faraway land, there lived a peacock known for his beautiful singing. His song was so melodious that it could make anyone's heart melt. Every day he would sing to the rising sun, and his song echoed through the valleys and over the hills. One day, a young girl heard the peacock's song while she was picking flowers in a field. She stopped to listen, and when the song ended, she searched for the singer. But the peacock had already flown away. The girl ran home and told her parents about the beautiful singing she had heard. Her parents were, "Who cares? There are many peacocks in the forest. Don't be silly." But the girl couldn't stop thinking about the song. She wanted to hear it again. So the next day, she went back to the field and waited. Sure enough, when the peacock began his song, she listened with all her might. Again, when it was over, she searched for him, but she couldn't find him. This happened for many days, and the girl's longing to see the peacock grew stronger with each passing day. Then one day, as she was walking through the forest, she saw a pink flower she had never seen before. And she thought, "What a beautiful color. If only I could pick this flower and show it to my parents, they would surely be pleased." But the flower was growing in a very remote part of the forest, and the girl was afraid to go there because the forest was full of wild animals. However, her desire to pick the flower was stronger than her fear, so she went deeper into the forest. As she walked, she heard a beautiful song. It was the peacock. He had followed her into the forest, and seeing the pink flower, he too was mesmerized by its beauty. The girl came out of her reverie and hid behind a tree. She wanted to get as close as possible to the peacock, but he kept moving from branch to branch, always just out of her sight. As he moved, he continued to sing, and the girl followed him deeper and deeper into the forest. After some time, the peacock flew up to a high branch and looked down at the girl. Seeing that he had been discovered, he asked, "Why did you follow me?" The girl replied, "I wanted to tell you how beautiful your song is. It touches my heart like nothing else." The peacock was touched by her words and said, "You are very kind. I want to show you something." With that, he spread his tail feathers, and lo and behold, they were all shades of pink. The peacock had painted his feathers with the same color as the flower. The girl was so happy that her wish had come true. She thanked the peacock and hurried home to show her parents the pink feathers she had picked from his tail. When they saw them, her parents were indeed pleased. They praised the peacock's beautiful song and the girl's good fortune in meeting him. And from that day on, whenever the girl heard the peacock's song, she knew that he was singing just for her. Once upon a time in a faraway land, there lived a peacock, whose feathers were as beautiful as the colors of the rainbow. Every year during the annual Peacock Festival, all the peacocks would gather together and display their feathers to the admiration of all who saw them. But one peacock was missing from the festival, and that was our friend the peacock. You see, he was very shy and he didn't like all the attention. He would hide in a cave during the festival and peek out to watch the others. One day, as he was looking at his reflection in a pool of water, he noticed that his feathers were not as bright as the other peacocks. He was sad and wished that his feathers could be as beautiful as the others. Just then, an old and wise turtle swam up to him and said, "Why are you so sad?" The peacock explained to the turtle how he wished his feathers were more colorful. The turtle listened patiently and then said, "Your feathers are perfect just the way they are. It's your perspective that needs to change." The peacock didn't understand what the turtle meant, so the wise creature continued, "You are beautiful, but you don't see it. You compare yourself to others and feel inadequate. But true beauty comes from within." The peacock thought about the turtle's words and realized that he had been comparing himself to others and trying to be like them. He had forgotten that he was beautiful just the way he was. From that day on, the peacock no longer felt sad about his feathers. He accepted himself for who he was and realized that true beauty comes from being comfortable in your own skin. And that's the end of the story.